Namaskar everyone, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Hope you had a good weekend. Today is Monday and we are going to have a fresh start, right? What did we do on Friday? We completed question number 1 of chapter number 10. Today we will be completing our revision worksheet, जिसकी आंसर की I have already sent in the group on Saturday. तो आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल क्रॉस वेरीफाई योर आंसर्स एंड अगर आपके आंसर्स कहीं गलत है कहीं सही है, रब दैट थिंग, राइट द राइट आंसर्स. जहाँ पे आई हैव रिटन और आई हैव मेंशन्ड ऑरल एक्टिविटी या ऑरल और एज पर योर थिंकिंग, दैट मीन्स वहाँ पे आंसर्स आपको अपने हिसाब से लिखने हैं. यू हैव टू थिंक एंड यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, चलो. So coming back to this एंटोनिम एंड सिनोनिम. नाउ अगर एग्ज़ाम में किसी को भी एंटोनिम और सिनोनिम नहीं आया है तो आप देख लेना, बिकॉज वी हैव practiced this antonym and synonym many a times. We have practiced with the examples, we have done the exercises, we have known the meaning, and we all know what is antonym and what is synonym. Antonym are opposites and synonym are similar meanings, right? उसकी एक एक्टिविटी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो था that we have already done. Now there was a question regarding कि अब क्या करेंगे after revision worksheet. Revision worksheet के बाद children I have, if you remember, जो term 2 की worksheet है हमारी, उसमें writing portion is remaining. Practice for writing portion is still remaining, so we'll try to finish that. उसके अलावा we will be having revision for grammar, so that आपको कहीं पे भी कुछ भी doubt ना रहे, right? चलिए, and बस और तो कुछ नहीं. Yes, last week I have already told that government is planning to open up the schools for our classes, that is 1 to 5. Let us see कि गवर्नमेंट कैसे अप्लाई करती है सबको. हमको तैयारी क्या करनी है, that you have to get prepared for exams whether it is offline or online. Clear? That is how you will work. कहीं पे भी if you feel that you are finding difficulty or if you need any extra practice for English, please let me know. I can provide you unseen passages, I can provide you worksheets for unseen passages, PDF for unseen passages, I can provide you passages, practice sheets for grammar, writing portion. आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, please let me know, right? Required आप मुझे पूछो, आप प्रैक्टिस करो, आप अपने आप से करो, करने की कोशिश करो. नहीं होता है, let me know, I'll help you out. Clear? चलिए, now let us see on the screen chapter number 10, travel. Quickly I will revise the antonym so that you can just have a quick check. चलिए, first one, the day was cold and dark. Day opposite night, right? The night was dark and cold. Here you have to just write the answers in the line, right? So day opposite night, hard opposite soft, difficult opposite easy, dull opposite sharp, straight opposite curly, better opposite worse, bought opposite sold, sweet opposite bitter, bitter is kadwa, warm opposite cold, cold या chilled, straight opposite crooked, 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 clumsy opposite graceful, graceful बहुत ही प्यार से, बहुत ही graceful, gracefully is showing some extra with emotions, you know? एकदम neat work can be told as graceful, GRACEFUL, graceful. Correct opposite wrong. These are the antonyms, right? Chaliye, now let us go to the last exercise, that is synonyms or antonyms. Antonyms are two words that means the opposite or nearly the opposite of each other. Synonyms are words that means the same or nearly the same as each other. Read each word pair, write an S to the word pairs that are synonyms and an N next to the word pairs that are antonyms. Understood the question? Agar these words are synonym, we will write S. If the words are antonym, we will write A. Clear? चलिए, grab your pencils. First one से शुरू करते हैं. Sit, stand. Obviously, sit opposite stand, so that is antonym. So here you will write first one में you will write capital A. Right? चलिए, sit, stand, they are antonyms. Watch, view. Right? It is synonym. Watch माने देखना. View is also देखना. I viewed from my balcony. I watched from my balcony. So view and watch are synonyms. Work and play, opposites, right? Antonyms. Why they are antonyms? Because work is what we do, play is the games that we play. So they are antonyms. Pal or friend. See, pal is again a new word. Pal, dear pal. P-A-L, pal. It's not pal, it is pal. Pal mane friend. So they are synonyms. So write S. Car, automobile. Automobile industry, that is something which is running. So car can be synonym of automobile. So you have to write S. Wild, tame. Tame माने जिसको ट्रेन किया गया हो. Wild माने जो जंगली हो. So they are antonyms. Wild, tame, antonyms. Dull, boring. Today's English class is dull. Today's English class is boring. So dull is synonym of boring. So write S. Teach or instruct. Teach is to make you learn something. Instruct is to make you do that thing, right? So that is opposites, antonyms. So teach, opposite, instruct, antonym. A. Eighth one. Go to the ninth one. Hot, chilled. Hot opposite chilled. We all know hot is garma garam, chilled is ekdam ठंडा, cold. So they are antonyms. Smelly, aromatic. Smelly is a thing जो generally use होती है जिसमें से you get foul smell. Foul smell is bad smell. So smelly is foul smell and aromatic माने हल्की हल्की सौंधी खुशबू आती हो वो. So they both are again opposite. What are the words? Smelly and aromatic. राइट अगर मम्मी खाने का अगर ज़ीरे का वघार करते देखा है कभी मम्मा को? ऑयल जब मम्मा पैन में डालते हैं, व्हेन शी पुट्स सम जीरा और क्यूमिन सीड्स, देयर इज सम सूदिंग स्मेल दैट कम्स, right? That is known as aromatic. Even if in the car, if you are having that Godrej ka air freshener or something, when it sprays, it gives a soothing smell. That smell makes the atmosphere aromatic, right? So smelly and aromatic are antonyms. Noisy and quiet. Yes, fourth A is noisy, fourth B is quiet. So they are opposites, antonyms, right? A. Rapid, fast. I have a rapid test of COVID-19. So rapid or fast, they are both synonyms, same meanings है. So they are both synonyms. चलिए, ये हो गए 12. Now come to this line, 13th. Rare and uncommon. Rare is जो बहुत कम होता है, easily नहीं, सबका नहीं होता है वो. Suppose honesty is very rare. So rare is something which is not common. So uncommon and rare are synonyms. Then near, distant, opposite. Near and distant are the opposite. Miniature or small. Miniature is small. अगर आप DIY देखते हो वीडियोस में, बहुत सारी जगह पे they have used this word miniature. Miniature means making something small. So miniature and small are synonyms. Angry, irate, right? Angry or it is irritate actually. Angry or irritate. They are the same feeling, so you can write synonym. Musical, melodious. Musical is equal to melodious, so they are known as synonym. 17th one, synonym. Lead and follow. Lead किसी के आगे चलना, to lead, and follow is to follow somebody, किसी के पीछे चलना. So they are both antonyms. So lead and follow are antonyms. Protect and defend, right? Protect is to save ourselves and defend is also to save ourselves. So protect and defend are known as synonyms. अच्छा, defend का फिर antonym क्या होगा? Defend का antonym होगा attack, right? अगर हम कबड्डी खेलते हैं तो जो सामने की टीम जब कबड्डी 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 बोल के आती है then that is attack, right? और हम जब अपने आप को सेव करते हैं then that is defend, right? Defending is to save ourselves. So protect and defend are synonyms. Defend का antonym can be attack. Clear? Chalo, next one, buy, sell. Very obvious, buy and sell are antonyms. Jump, leap. Yes, I had a leap of 1.5 second. So jump is leap, that is synonym. Jump and leap are same. Next, book and tome. Now this I need to see. I'll just give an answer for that. Let us move to the next one. 23, inside, within. That is again a synonym. Inside ka synonym, same meaning is within. Then hungry, full. Hungry and full are opposites, antonyms. A, hungry is जो भूख लगती है वो. Full is when you are quite full with food, right? So this is antonym. Clear? चलिए एक बार मैं रिपीट कर देती हूँ आंसर. Check it for once. Sit, stand, A, antonym. Watch, view, S, synonym. Work, play, A, antonym. Pal, friend, S, synonym. Car, automobile, synonym. Wild, tame, antonym. Dull, boring, synonym. Teach, instruct, antonym. Hot, chilled, antonym. Smelly, aromatic, antonym. Noisy, quiet, antonym. Rapid, fast, synonym. Rare, uncommon, synonym. Near, distant, antonym. Miniature, small, synonym. Angry, irritate, synonym. Musical, melodious, synonym. Lead, follow, antonym. Protect, defend, synonym. Buy, sell, synonym. Jump, leap, synonym. Book, tome, that I need to see. Inside, within, synonym. Hungry, full, antonym. Clear? These are the answers. फिर भी एक बार आप आंसर की चेक कर लीजिएगा so that you come to know. Clear? And this I would be asking in the examinations also, so you need to prepare for that too. Clear? Chalo. Till we meet next, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.